float by, vanilla clouds where the sprinkles fly, chocolate rivers, they never run dry, sugar high, only you and I. Gummy bears dance in colored light, cupcake mountains in the night, marshmallow fields forever bright. We keep dreaming till it's alright. Dessert dreams don't ever fade, each bite sweeter every day. We paint our world in whipped cream shades, together in this candy parade. Jelly bean stars twinkle into light, licorice rolls guide us through the night, caramel drizzles feel so right, endless treats in our sight. Ice cream wishes on the moonshine light, cinnamon rolls make me sigh. We float away in an apple pie sky, dessert dreams take us high. Dessert dreams don't ever fade, each bite sweeter every day. We paint our world in whipped cream shades, together in this candy parade. Dreams don't ever fade, each bite sweeter every day. We paint our worlds in whipped cream shades, together in this candy parade. Woke up dizzy in the neon haze, city lights dancing in the night's cold embrace. Hearts beat faster as we hit the streets, lost in the echoes of forgotten dreams. City lights, city fights we can't deny, in this maze we find our alibis, running wild under the shattered sky. City lights, city nights never die, chasing shadows on the boulevard. Every step we take, it's just so hard.